them ready at the staring of again. Let no fear that to their hardship has hold pass alone. And although your heart is breaking, make it sing this eerie song. Keep the home fires burning while your hearts are yearning. For your lands are far away, they dream of home. There's a silver lining.
Wait a minute. 90 seconds will change your life. We all have experienced a situation or a person that just set us off, a friend that did something insulting that caused us an outburst that later we regret, or we ask someone to do the same chores over and over and they never do that particular chores that make you lose your temper. Or we see something in social media that frustrates us, that we go on and comment something that make us a laughing stock. Or we just post something at the heat of the moment that later it bites us back. Yes, we all have done that. Most of us don't possess the impulse control of or know exactly a better way to respond to negative situation. I'm sorry about the breathing. That is Tommy doing that. Tommy, chill, drink water. When someone or something upsets us, we turn to do whatever our instinct tell us. And sometimes it leads to a very, very negative effect unto us. And it's in our DNA as human to respond in such behavior. Tommy, can you breathe a bit slower? Come here, boy. Come. You don't want? At first it made feel good at the first intense, and then later on when we settle down and we start to think about what we did, it start to bring in the guilt into ourselves. And this might sometimes affect the way people see us, or sometimes it breaks friendship. So a simple things like that upset us can cause a lifetime of friendship. So anyway, 90 seconds can change your life. Now the psychology, I think in the US, have found out that the psychologists have found that when triggered, chemical blood flow through our system, creating a physical reaction that peaks and then clears within 1 minute and 30 seconds. That's a total of 90 seconds. So the point in between someone doing something very insulting or you are really disappointed, it takes 90 seconds for the reaction to peak and then clears out. Hence, the 90 seconds can change your life. Anything that we do in reaction or respond to whatever happens, it takes exactly 90% to peak and then clears out again. So what we do, introducing the 90 seconds rule. These are the things that you should do when approaching a situation that upset us. If a coworker says something frustrating, and you feel you need to say something, give 90 seconds. If your friend did something insulting to you, just wait 90 seconds. Chores at home isn't exactly the way you want it to be done. Wait for 90 seconds. If you see something on social media and want to comment, put your phone down for 90 seconds. If you are mad and you want to post something on social media, leave your device and walk away for 90 seconds. If you have an heated argument on the phone, just tell them you'll call them back and just pause for 90 seconds. If you do these things right, it's gonna help you and help us a lot when deciding when it's the right time, or is it really okay for us to do an outburst or go out and outburst. All right. Now, some situation may not work. All right. In some instances may not work, and depending on the situation, how big or how small in the situation. But let's talk about just like the small situation. This will help a lot. Now, I've been going and forth with this type of situation for months on now, not even months, I think a year, and I forgot to tell you guys about it. So today I decided, you know what, why not? Because something happened that I did this pause for 90 seconds thing and it worked. So I'm like, yeah, I should tell people about this. I should tell you guys about this. Yeah, try it out. All right. Whatever happens and you feel like you're gonna go off your head, wait for 90 seconds. Anyway, 90 seconds will change your life forever. Literally. Anyway, see you on the next one.